Alert Forecast.
Always beautiful to take in the view from the overlook at Afton on I-64, looking down at the Rockfish Valley, and it's certainly beautiful in a blanket of white. Jim Carpenter captured that nice scene here this evening. Let's take a look at the sunset. Yeah, we had a lot of clouds today, but we did climb above freezing. Ned Middlesworth captured that shot from Hollymead this evening. Take a look at our numbers. We're holding at our high for the day, which is 39. Yesterday didn't make it out of the upper 20s. Southerly winds, and we're still out ahead of this cold front. Pressure continues to remain steady or actually fall, and the winds will pick up later tonight as this cold front comes through. 42 the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 46 for a high today. A few locations touch 50, and those winds will be gusty not only now but a little later tonight. Right now you see a lot of locations in the low and mid 40s west of the Blue Ridge, and some upper 30s to low 40s here across central Virginia. Now, for looking at the Doppler radar here, the bark is worse than the bite, but there are a few little light rain showers coming through. Higher elevations may see a wet snowflake, but this will come and go, and we're actually going to start to see skies clear out as we head through the rest of tonight. But it's a different story well west of the mountains of the Alleghenies, and those ridge tops along the Allegheny front are getting plastered with snow tonight, and that's why there's blizzard warnings in effect for areas like Snowshoe and Canaan Valley up into Garrett County, Maryland, which will receive some significant snows here right through tomorrow afternoon. Now, temperatures tonight for us will settle generally into the mid and upper 20s, again with some melting that occurred today. Do be mindful of some icy spots. Temperatures for tomorrow will be colder than today, generally in the mid 30s to around 40, and we'll have sunshine and some more afternoon clouds building in. Some winds out of the northwest tomorrow will still gust at times over 20 miles an hour, stronger along the ridge tops. And then we turn our attention to Friday, and yes, it does appear we're going to have another hit of snow in here to finish out the week. Now, currently, this looks to be a lot less than the two previous events, but enough that could still cause issues, especially with the timing of that. Some of that could get in here before daybreak, and then temperatures on Saturday will bump up briefly before we really chill down to finish out the weekend. So just want to show you, this happens to be the European model for Friday morning, and it could break out sooner than this model is depicting, but light snow would overspread the region. Again, light in nature, but could still be problematic, and there's still a question on how long it may linger into the afternoon, but general amounts an inch or less. Certainly the ridge tops could see a little bit more, the Blue Ridge and the Alleghenies. We have an area of low pressure over western New York, the attending front that will cross the mountains tonight. Again, downwind of the lakes, you get some of the lake effect and lake enhanced snows, and of course they pile up really on the western slopes, and those temperatures are certainly much colder north and west as well. As we look ahead into the middle and end of next week, maybe near normal temperatures return and precipitation either near or below average. So we may see a flip in this pattern as we get toward the middle and end of the month. Clouds decrease tonight. It'll be breezy, upper 20s to around 30. First alert weather day here for Friday. Another hit of snow. We'll continue to keep you posted on that. Saturday, we'll have briefly higher temperatures, and then an Arctic front comes in on Sunday. Our temperatures on Sunday will actually fall through the day. And look at some of those morning lows by Monday. And Monday itself, many of us won't get above freezing.
Back into the freezer.
There you go.
All right, Eric.